Hey guys, I'm working today with First Impressions. This is Josiah from Strata Tree Gear, and I want to talk about this tree. We're doing a removal of a nasty dead oak tree that half of it is completely over this house. We're going to use a crane today because rigging from it would just be totally unsafe, and I don't really want to climb around out of the tips and this stuff when it's already started losing branches. So we want to take a quick look at that over here. So what we got here is this big nasty thing. We're not worried about this fence. So I'm probably gonna, we call it wheeling, but I'm probably just gonna cut through a lot of these branches here on the crane side because as things get picked up and shaken around, that's the kind of thing that's gonna injure one of our guys on the ground. It's gonna break when you don't expect it, maybe hit a phone line or a hot power drop. So we want as little of that as possible. Then I'm going to be using multiple crane attachment points, so it's called spider legging, on a lot of these picks in order to take bigger picks because it's dead and dry and we can take bigger picks relatively safely. So we're going to take bigger picks, get rid of as much of the small stuff as we can, and try and get this down as safely as possible. Off and they just left a mess all over here. We weren't worried about the fence, and then we took several big picks, which were a trick trying to balance because everything's really horizontal, and you got to be super careful when you're craning dead trees, because if I don't have a good meaty tie-in point, then it's just as easy to break one of those things off with the amount of pressure that we've got. So that last chunk of wood was dead and dry. It still weighed 3,500 pounds. If that were alive, it could very well have been 5,000 or so. But thankfully it's nice and dead and dry. We got plenty of capacity. So now we're heading up to the last half here. We're probably doing 3 picks. And gotta be real careful to be able to put a big hole in the roof. So here we go. So thanks for joining me, Strata Tree Gear and First Impressions Tree Service. That was a wrap on that sucker. It came down really nice. I'm happy with that. These guys are going to be here cleaning it up for a little bit, and I'm off to the next job. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.